illusion and reality. It's a very important concept. People always say, don't build castles in the air. You have to build castles in the air. Otherwise, you will never build a real one. But unfortunately, people discourage anyone who is building castles in the air. You have to fake it in order to make it. There is a scientific basis for that. It is not just what I'm talking about is philosophy. It is philosophy as well, but more it is a matter of neurology. You have to fake it in order to make it. And there is a part of the brain that is involved in, there are several parts of the brain that are involved in daydreaming. Actually, in fact, your dreaming is done by your brain too, not the waking state, but what about the dream state of consciousness? And what part of the brain that makes you to dream? The right brain. You dream with the right brain. That's why you cannot remember your dream, because the left brain doesn't remember uh, the dream that you have had. Now, the midbrain creates very powerful illusion. The midbrain doesn't differentiate illusion from reality, because illusion is matter appearing in a solid form. Everything is illusion. And the difference between illusion and reality, philosophically speaking, is only one is matter and another is energy. Einstein said that I have no problem in understanding the philosophy that everything is illusion, except for the fact that what I see remains to be a consistent illusion. This Maya is a consistent illusion. I don't see any other reality. But the yogis know that they are real. Everything is real because reality itself is illusion. So if you live in a totally an illusionary world, then you will be able to create everything. So what you have to do is to again go to the midbrain. So don't create this controversy. Illusion is reality, and then you have to open your midbrain. Let's do it. Tap, feel, tap, feel, tap, feel. You have to feel it. Wait until the feeling builds up, then go. Tap. As soon as you touch, then you will be able to see the feeling starting to happen, and then build on it. Tap, feel, then move on. Move up, tap, feel, tap, feel. You may want to hit with your nail in order to have more sensation. Tap, feel, tap, feel. Now feel the entire brain vibrating. with the energy. God bless. I want to say something for the people who want to do the July 16th program, the 3-4 day program. I personally look forward to do that because I'm going to teach things that I have never taught before. And it is going to, I of course gave you a syllabus and I will cover that. Whatever it is, I don't remember now. But I will certainly cover that area of brain training. But the most important thing that I would do is how to use yantra. The yantra is the sacred geometry that you will draw on a copper sheet, and how you can lock in the divine energy inside. Then it will be a workshop where I will guide you to draw, and also at the right time, and how to use it. And that's going to be the key. And then that we will work on the sacred geometry of Kubera, the banker in heaven, and how to bring him into the yantra, into your consciousness. And we will start with Ganesha, who is the god who demands first attention.